for accepting to come to this school. And please, you must be part of it.
Wano ku Hasi Beauty Parlor tuli bakafulu mu kulabirira n'okuyoyota ensusu. Tukola facial ne tukupepeta ka face ne kawawera nga aka baby. Tusiba n'okola enviiri mu buli musono, songa mu kukola pedicure ne manicure tuwekansa. Tusala enviiri mu buli musono. Ate bwe kituuka mu kukola makeup tetumanyiyo mulala. Tuli muyenga ku Tank Hill Road okulira na Italian Supermarket mu basement. Essimu tuli ku noti 726 682 953. Teweerabira saluni egenda okujjayo bulungi bwo n'ekitiibwa kyo ye Hasi Beauty Parlor, a world of beauty.
Thank you very much. Okay, thank you so much, the Reds.
My name is Krista Marundi Wanana Serena Sama, and this is Yellow Canary. We are going to present to you a poem about the journey of technology. Thank you. Bonsoir mon peuple.
more. Fire lit the dark of night. Now bulbs make the world so bright. Cats and donkeys move the load. Cars and planes make movement easy. Hooray for all the things we see. I wonder what next technology will be. We are the yellow soya, the canary oya, the sunshine oya, the moonlight oya, Hetman and the Tozoya, ever the winners.
How have you known that you're the winners? Yellow, yellow, yellow canary. How have you known that you're the winners? Another yellow, Batambula yellow. Okay, thank you so much. Mommy Brighton is 2 in 1. A woman and a man. Mommy Brighton, Alani Cruz. Yes. So that is our Alani Cruz. Please make some noise for our Alani Cruz.
Wow. Good morning, good afternoon, according to how Estudio Guevara. Otherwise, I go by the name of Alani Cruz. I'm a journalist by profession. I'm a content creator. I'm a YouTuber. I know many of you enjoy my interviews. Some of you enjoy my comedy. But I'm happy. I'm glad to be here. I don't take this opportunity for granted. Thank you so much, Jaja Amit. Thank you so much. I want to thank Newmans. Thank you so much, Newmans. They have really provided for us good snacks for our kids today. And of course, let's give some hand clap for Newmans, because they've done really something great. And I'm still giving more to the babies. I'm still around. But all parents here, don't stop your children, don't stop your kids from creating content. Chechidako, chechiriko. So, buli muzadde ali wano olunaku olwaleero, njagala okukozesa olulimi Oluganda lwetutegeera obulungi. Mbasaba nese kusaba yenna ebintu bye tulaba wano abaana bye bakola twongere n'okubikola mu holiday, because content creation is the way to go. Omwana wo baba amanyi content omulungi ensi egenda mwanguyira. Ffe twazuuka leeti. I've seen here my brother Canary Canary omusajja wange oyo, we've been doing comedy for a very long time, but ffe twazuuka leeti. So if you're a parent here, please bw'olaba omwana wo nga bamutadde mu camera, don't say nti essomero lirimu kumuyuzinsa oba bafubi, but the school is trying so hard okulaba nga babaako ne kye bamugyamu. So parents, thank you so much. I'm still around. Nja kukomawo bwe munaba munjagala, but thank you so much. Musangaire okubona maama. Oyina kuli ku interview maama. Ka interview kankasabire wano. Kwina abena tusangaire. Bana, abasoga mugambe. Ninzani papa mama. Mana webale nali mwangainewa. Abasoga nife bili mu kintu kino. Bwoba kuno nga toyogerere lusoga. Abazaire abasoga muliwa. Nali tolo wangulu. Abasoga. Abasada bafu n'abakyala abasoga muliwa. Abasada bazirawo. Abakyala abafu n'abasada abasoga muliwa. Ate abakyala abasoga bafumba. Kale, mama.
Nange ndi musoga.
Okoba otya?
Awonzise. Okay, thank you so much, Alan. Thank you. Kindly stand to your neighbor and say, you are blessed. And you will continue to be blessed. Do you know why? Because you're a parent of Le Champion. Hallelujah! So ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you. Thank you so much for all you've been able to do to support this. How I wish I had so many hands. I would clap for you, because if it weren't you, I don't think we would have this. So tap yourself, feel proud about what you're seeing, and say to yourself, you have done it. So thank you so much. I also want to take this great honor to welcome my daughter, the queen. And you know, when a queen steps in a school, we also become queens. Hallelujah. Takbir. Takbir. Bana ekola kwe musimu osasire ekintu bakintuziza munange butuza. I hope I will manage. So Queen Abenacho, you're most welcome. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. May God bless you. Thank you for accepting to come to this school. And please, you must be part of it. Okay? Not only today, from now on. I also want to welcome and thank Miss Tourism for coming. This is the Jaja Amina you were talking to. So thank you for coming. Thank you for being there for us. Oh, thank you for the love. Now I have my daughter. Please come here. You know how we struggled, eh? And we wouldn't let it as we wanted to be crowned as Little Miss. That is none other than me, Queen. Miss Queen. How do they address you?
Queen Femias Floresha.
So we have Queen Femias Floresha. Clap for her. She's the one with the ngule right now. So who am I? Who am I? Oluzungu. I also want to welcome my daughter. Most of you know me. I do lecture at the universities, mainly two. That's Chambogo University and Muni University. And one of my students here who has come as an adjudicator. That's none other than Vicky. Clap for Vicky. She's a champion teacher. I just love her vibe. She's a great musician. And I'm happy she has been promoted to head teacher. Congratulations. I'm here to support. So thank you so much for me. And I also want to thank my sons, Alan Cruz, Shafiq, for always being there for me. I don't take your love for granted, just know that. Because it's just the call away and they're here. So, glory be to God. So, I hope the blues are here. The blues, the blues.
Don't forget, our theme is Roots and Circuits. Please enjoy.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold.
something just like this. So old, that legends are the myth, the testaments they told, the moonlight lives in dreams. Superman arose and so before he leaves. I am not the kind of person that influence, but it's the one you wanna go, how much you wanna risk. I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale beast. There's something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. Oh, I want something just like this. What you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale beast. There's something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like this. Oh, 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 I want something just like
Wow, thank you so much, Yellow Canary. Make noise for Yellow Canary. Okay, thank you so much, Yellow Canary.
Yes, and dear parents, those are our contestants. Sir! Yes! That was the project dance. We are having a great finale. Yeah, we are still giving you KG1.
I want to say the Lord is good and all the time. I'm Father Charles Mpima, a priest of the Diocese of Kampala, and I serve here at Kisubi. First of all, I want to welcome the parents for your presence. Thank you for choosing this mighty school. And thank you for fulfilling your responsibility of nurturing and also paying school fees and requirements with what the children have displayed here. It means you have invested a lot. I want to thank you. May God bless you.
Hello, Renita. How are you? Can you please describe your creative work?
Can you kindly tell us, I love your creative wear. Can you kindly tell us why you chose that?
The reason why I chose this because I think that's the only way how I'm going to be smart on the stage.
So tell us, what's the inspiration behind this besides just looking good?
My dress was made out of newspapers attached with envelopes. Based on our theme, roots and circles, that means old and new. Long ago, people used to write letters to their beloved ones. But now the world is busy and fast. Messages fly, the news spread fast.
What class are you?
I am in class 2P.
Can you tell us who is your head teacher?
Teacher Agatha.
Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you feeling?
I feel good.
You feel good? You're very confident at that. Tell me about yourself. I would love to know about Kaylee.
My name is Uwera Kaylee and I am in class 2P. I go to Lesotho Education Services. My best color is gold. Thank you.
Wow. Kaylee, tell me about your creative wear.
I am dressed in a white armless dress made out of a plastic sack attached on with disposable tableware like forks, spoons, bowls, cups, and decorative bits. And we also have the shoes, the bag, and the hair clip. They are also made in disposable tableware like bowls and disposable table plates. Thank you.
Kaylee, I have one last question for you. What is the motto of your school?
The motto of my school is nurture a child for a better world.
Yes. Thank you, Kaylee. Okay.
Hello, Asta. I like your creative wear. Can you please describe your creative wear? Okay, can you tell me between Uganda and America which country is better? Which class are you?
Yes. Yes, DJ.
Hi, Ariana.
Hi, Princess.
Sorry, my name is Queen. Just Queen. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
You have a lovely smile. Please smile. Yes, that is good. Tell us about yourself.
My name is Ariana Karanga. I am 7 years old. I go to Western Plains Education Services. I am in class 1 for mechanics. My best color is pink.
Your best color is pink. It's my favorite as well. Tell us about your creative wear.
My creative wear shows African roots. I'm wearing a leopard print cloth, a sunset scarf, and beads to show our culture and strength.
Ariana, I have one last question for you. colors of the Ugandan flag?
Red, black, yellow.
Thank you, Ariana. Hello, Amira.
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine.
Can you give us a twirl? We want to see your outfit. Just turn around for us. Turn around. Turn around. Let the parents see your outfit. Yes. Okay, Amira, turn back this side. I love your smile. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good.
You're feeling good. Which class are you?
I am in class 1 pomegranates.
Class 1. Tell us about your outfit, your creative wear.
Okay, madam. Imagine wearing a blend of past and present. My outfit combines traditional black clothes with modern satin, creating a unique story. Ancient curly shells and old paraffin lamps, rich new currency notes and electric light. Each piece brings together heritage and innovation, creating a beautiful conversation between yesterday and today. It's a style that honors the past while embracing the future. Long live Uganda.
Amira, I have one question for you. If you're given an opportunity to change something about yourself, what would that be?
I'll use this opportunity to teach my fellow girls how to be confident, how to be creative, and
Thank you, DJ.
Hi, Zoe.
Hi.
Can you tell us your favorite color? Thank you. Hi, Abiel.
Hi.
Which class are you?
That you want master class.
Can you tell us 3 names of your fellow models you know? What is your favorite color?
Color red.
Thank you, Abiel.
Jay.
How are you? How are you feeling today?
Feeling good.
You're feeling good. Are
Yes.
you happy? Are
Yes.
you confident?
Yes.
That is good. Which class are you?
Class 2 peach.
Class 2 Peach. Please tell me about your creative wear today.
Thank you, Judge, for that question. Up here on my head, I have the lights which old people used in the past time. All over my creative wear, I have the things which I have the lights that people are using in the present time. Here on my back, I have the map of Uganda, my country. Thank you, Judge. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Dara. Before you go, I love your creative wear and how patriotic you are.
Thank
Could you please sing for us the national anthem, just the first stanza? Do you know the national anthem?
Yes.
Please sing the first stanza only, and we'll all join in.
O Uganda, negoda pombi, we lay our future
in thy hands. United, free for liberty, together with all stand.
Thank you, Dara. Wow, this is so beautiful. Hello, Angel. Hello. How are you feeling with your beautiful, pretty wear?
I'm feeling good.
That's nice. What class are you in?
I am in class 2 Peach.
Class 2 Peach. Can you tell us about your beautiful, creative wear?
My beautiful creative wear is made out of Uganda flags.
Nice. One more question. Who is your role model?
My role model is my mother.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yes,
These are our models,
those are our contestants.
smartly dressed in their evening gowns.
That is the evening gown.
And to their parents that have their kids in front here, this is the long-awaited time. In a few, we are going to know who is going to be crowned what.
Miss
And we shall know the little Miss Le Champion 2025. Judges, are you ready? We can pick the results.
Summer's light on mountain, a footprint to receive.
Miss Integrity.
And that is none other than Anaya.
Sebata. Annabella, you can come back to the line.
Bella comes. Miss Integrity is Anaya.
Miss Integrity 2025-2026. Anaya Semata Asinziwe. As they are giving her the sash,
Our next Miss is.
Miss Obedient Star. She has been so obedient.
And that is none other than Victoria Amani.
Amani. Miss the Champions.
Denise. And our first runner.
DJ, a moment of silence. A moment of silence.
A moment.
The Queen, Little Miss Le Champions 2025-2026
Is
Wait.
none.
Are you ready?
They are ready.
Is
None other than Angel
Musime. Little Miss Le Champions 2025-2026.
let the pageants take some pictures and the queen.
Yes, this session is done.
Thank you very much for being patient on us. The pageant session is done with our queen and her runners. Let the pageants leave the stage. Let the contestants leave the stage.
All in all, they are the culminators. They are the ones that are wrapping up the day. So we want to thank you so much. We are going to be as brief as possible so that we can have this go off faster. And we are sorry. Mutusonyiwe mutusonyiwire ddala. Tetugenda kuddamu tujja kwetereza omulundi oguddako tusobole otambuza obulungi ebintu. May I now humbly request, we shall have a speech from the class teacher. After the class teacher, we shall have a chat, one of the children. Okay, children, right? We have some of the models who are going to change. But let's have the rest of these activities move on as they come. I hope that's well with you. So may I humbly... Oh, she's coming. Queen Abenacho. I'm sorry, how I wish I could even escort you. Thank you so much. Head teacher, where are you? Yes. So we want to thank God for this far we have come. I hope the videographers, I'm sorry, Uncle Hunter, we have some clips that should be running through for some of the parents who are able to record and share their testimonies with us. I don't know whether he's around, but as we wait for our dear children, let's have those projections. Yet. Are the queens here? KG3 queens, are they here? Okay, so can we have Shay, our leaders, to come and bless as the parents touch the heads of their children? Nsabakati muzikirize, mpite, basilamu, abatukulembera, bajje batuweerezeeyo dua. Allah agiwulire nga buli omu omuzadde waali akutte ku mutwe gw'omwana we ng'amusabira ebirungi. Insha Allah Mungu ajja abasobozesa okubeera mbaagaza. Thank you for showing us your curiosity. We really appreciate you. As you go to the next level, my dear learners, the sky will always be the limit. But I wish you all the best. May God bless you. May everything be good for you. To our parents, thank you for being there for us. Thank you so patient with us. Sometimes we go wrong, but you've always stood with us. And above all, thank you for trusting Les Champions with your children, their education and their growth. And I believe surely they have learned a lot. I wish you well. Thank you for coming. Merry Christmas to everyone.
Hello, family, friends, and our amazing teachers. Today, a very special day. We've worked hard, learned so many new things, and had tons of fun. From reading exciting books to counting big numbers. We've grown taller, smarter, and braver. And these are our sweet and caring teachers. You've been patient, kind, and always there for us. You made us feel safe, happy, and confident. You are the pride of teacher every child dreams of. You add with the melody in our childhood memories. To our evergreen parents, thank you for your endless love, support, and encouragement. Because of you, our learning journey has been joyful, funny, and full of smiles. We are so lucky to have you. Les Champion Education Services, words cannot express how grateful we are. The beautiful, welcoming environment you gave us shines through today. We promise to carry your light wherever we go. Congratulations to all my fellow graduates. Let's keep dreaming, keep shining, and remember no matter where we go, the sky is never the limit. It's just the beginning.
Long live the mighty school, Les Champions Education Services. Dear parents, bring your children. We have the kindergarten. We have all levels you need, and we shall have even class 4. Thank you so much. We appreciate your time. 1, 2, 3, we go!